At TIA, we're excited to announce a new feature for our practice app here in spring 2020, and that's called Guided Mode. We'd like to suggest that you spend most of your time in Guided Mode, which will present easy problems first and then more difficult ones based on your accuracy, and includes only previously missed and unworked problems. If your filter includes multiple lessons, such as when you have the Watch Lessons filter set, then Guided Mode also takes into account the importance of each lesson and your progress on those lessons. In other words, it is more likely to give you a problem from a more important lesson on which you have made less progress so far. If you're doing a practice session as you go through the learning process of watching the lessons, I'd suggest just clicking on that practice tab, leave the order set to guided, the filter set to watch lessons, and just click Work Problems. Currently, this feature is only available on the practice app through the website, but we are working to develop it for our iOS app as well.